Greetings from Falmouth, Massachusetts. Today we're going to be staying on a rather unique property, the AutoCamp. So a little background on AutoCamp. They first opened in California in 2013 and have since grown to over 9 properties throughout the US. In early 2024, Hilton entered into an exclusive partnership with AutoCamp. Hilton Honors members can earn, book, and redeem points for stays at AutoCamps. At the time of this recording, only the AutoCamp Cape Cod is available for booking through Hilton. At check-in, you can grab complimentary fire starters and purchase firewood and other camping essentials. There's also these cool little wagons available to haul your luggage and items to your site. So at AutoCamp, there's actually 3 different accommodation types. There is a luxury tent, a small cabin, and where we'll be staying, a 31-foot Airstream. As you can see, there's plenty of storage space for prepping food and beverages. Be on the lookout for these cool books and fun facts about the area. Be sure to take advantage of the Bluetooth music speakers located next to the couch. Bike rentals are available through a third-party operator. Your first 2 hours are complimentary. Both the beach and downtown Falmouth are just a short bike ride away from AutoCamp. If you feel like staying on site, in the main building, you can play cards or sit by the fire. The front desk has complimentary board games that you can utilize during your stay. In this area, there's plenty of outdoor seating with fire pits as well. Those traveling with kids will appreciate the playground and these cool little bikes available throughout the AutoCamp. If you're an EV owner like myself, you know that range anxiety can be a real issue. There are 2 chargers as well as a Tesla destination charger, complimentary on a first-come, first-served basis. In the morning, AutoCamp offers free coffee, tea, and granola. Light meals are available for purchase. Overall, AutoCamp Cape Cod and the brand as a whole is a perfect balance between a luxury property and a traditional camping experience. With being a Hilton partner, AutoCamp is now bookable with points, which is a nice perk. Highly recommend the AutoCamp for those looking for a different, one-of-a-kind experience. Until next time, safe travels.